Guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I have a jewelry subscription unboxing, and this is going to be from Talisa. I'm really excited to see what goodies are in here. Now, this is the third Talisa jewelry unboxing that I've done on my channel, and I love their jewelry. Their pieces are so nice, and they're really unique as a company and a subscription service. So I'm going to share all the details about the Talisa subscription. I'm going to go over their jewelry, what comes in the box, and I'll also try on these items as well. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to see what jewelry goodies are in this box, then just keep watching. So as I was saying, this is the third time that I'm receiving the Talisa subscription box. And so far, I've been pretty impressed with their jewelry. Their pieces are really nice. And what's great is they have a wide variety. And when I say wide, I mean wide variety of items that you can choose from. You can choose from bracelets, necklaces, earrings, etc. There's so many different themes. I think in my last video you guys saw, I did the map jewelry where you basically give the coordinates of any destination in the world, and they zoom in on that and they make a necklace of it with the coordinates. It's really cool. It's like the map of it. They have, like, you can get personalized items. I do have one, I believe, in here. I know one item that I'm getting in this box, but the rest are going to be a mystery until we open. Yeah, so you can get personalized anything, and it's really cool. They have like birthstone jewelry as well. I think in my first Talisa subscription unboxing video, there was a birthstone necklace that I had given to my mother. So it's not only good for just like you, but if you need to gift something to somebody, this is a really great way to do it. So anyways, let's get into this box. So this just came in the mail yesterday. And what's really, really great about Talisa and their subscription service that stands out from any others that I've seen is that the jewelry is curated for you. You can definitely customize a piece or whatever, but also there's a stylist involved, and they will select and kind of curate the pieces for you. So it's really nice, especially if you kind of like don't know what you want to get in your subscription box. The stylist really helps. You'll take a quiz on their website to kind of set up your profile, the length of necklace chains that you like. Do you like gold? Do you like silver? Excuse me. All those important questions for the jewelry before you start the subscription. And the most unique feature of the Talisa subscription, and I've certainly never seen this before, is that say there's a piece or there's two pieces or even say all of the pieces in your subscription box. If you don't like them, you can return them within 7 days, so you're not charged for them. So say, for example, I get like 2 sets of earrings and 2 necklaces, and one of the necklaces I'm just not really caring for. I wore it for a few days. It's just not me. I don't really like it. I have 7 days to go into the dashboard on the website, and then I can just put that I'm returning it. They include the free shipping label. You ship it back, and then that way they know which items to not charge you for. So that's really cool. It's kind of like a try-on subscription service, and it's really easy. The whole process is super, super simple. So anyways, this is what the box looks like. We've got the nice gold paper with the Talisa sticker. Now, as I was saying before, one of these items I do know that I'm getting because I actually customized it. So I'm excited to see how it came out. But the 3 other items I had the stylist choose. So we will see. So I have this nice envelope that says Ashley. So let's open this up. And I believe this is going to be the stylist letter. So let me just see here. It says, "Hi Ashley, I'm Jess, your personal stylist. I've picked these styles based on your quiz response." So it has all the items, as you can see, that I received, and then it just gives all the information. So I'm gonna be referring to these as I go through each of the pieces. So there's 4 pieces in this box. It's a really personalized touch with this subscription. So anyways, let's get into, actually, let me just show you quickly. This is the free shipping label. If you do decide to return anything, you just bring it to a post office. USPS. Not going in any particular order. This is the first box. Now their packaging is really, really cute, as you guys can see. So this is a bigger box, so I believe that this is going to be a necklace. We've got the little pull tab right there. So, okay, so this is the necklace that I knew I was getting. I customized this. This is, according to the little sheet, the Talisa circle engraved pendant necklace. And I'm really, really excited about this. This is going to be a gift for my mom. I just don't know if I'm going to give it to her on her birthday, which is next month, or for Christmas. But this is what the necklace looks like. Now, I'm going to insert a clip as well because you're not going to see the engraved names on here because they're so tiny. So I'm going to insert a clip from my phone that shows the exact names and the engraving on it. But this is such an amazing gift. They had so many different styles of necklaces that you could choose from. They had silver, different finishes, different chain lengths, and again, you could just put whatever. You could put your pet's name, you could put your spouse's name, you could put anything. So for this necklace right here, I put my me and my sister, and then my niece and my nephew. So it would be my mom's children and grandchildren. So I thought that was a really, really nice gift to get for my mom. This is what the necklace looks like on. It's really simple, really cute, and obviously it's sentimental. So I'm really excited to give this to my mother. So next is this smaller box right here. So this is most likely going to be earrings. So I'm gonna do this little pull tab. And also, I will mention this now, what's great too is they include a little pouch for the earrings. I love these little pouches for traveling purposes so that, like, say for example, necklaces aren't getting like tangled up and everything. I can kind of divide necklaces up or store my jewelry. So I really like that instead of like putting it, you know, in like a big like makeup bag or something like that. So these earrings right here are going to be the Pure Elegance hoop earrings. So let's see, these actually would be a good fit. I could actually even maybe gift these to my mother as well, since they would most likely go with that necklace I showed you. So this is what they look like close up. As you can see, I'm gonna insert like a little clip too of what they look like, just so you can see them a little bit clearer. And I'm gonna take these earrings out and we'll pop these in. As you can see, this is what the hoops look like. They're really simple, but they're really like elegant and fancy. You could dress these up, you could dress these down. And I think I said this in like my last two Talisa videos, I'm not really a hoop person. And if you guys watch my videos, you know that I never wear hoops. It's always studs, pearls, but I actually think they look good. But anyway, so yeah, I have to figure out if I'm gonna keep these or maybe just gift these to my mother since they do go with that necklace. I'm going to leave my earrings off in case I get another pair of earrings. There's a tiny box in there, so I'm assuming it's probably a pair of earrings. So next is this bigger box right here. It could be a necklace, it could be a bracelet, we shall see. Okay, so it looks really pretty. It looks like it could be a necklace, but it's actually a bracelet. This is the Dazzling drop bracelet. So I am going to insert a clip, like I said. I'm going to do that for all of these, but that's what it looks like. So I'm going to try this on as well. That's what it looks like right there. Again, you'll see this in the close-up, but it's really stunning. I like it because it's elegant, but it's simple. It's not like too overwhelming. And it really is like kind of like a statement piece as well. So I'm really excited about this. I don't have anything like this. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on, and then last but not least, let's see, let me make sure, did I open this one yet? No, I did not open these. Okay, so these look like earrings. So we're going to pull this out, and we have the nice pouch as I was saying. So this is great for storing them, dividing them so you don't lose them, because I've done that in the past. So according to my little sheet, these are the Dazzling hoop crystal earrings. So these actually kind of would go with this bracelet. So I'm going to take these out, and first I will kind of just like do a little bit of a close-up so you can see. Again, I'm going to insert the clip from my phone, the close-up of these, because this doesn't really like do it justice. But let's pop these in and see what they look like. This is what these earrings look like on, and I'm honestly obsessed with these. They're a little bit bigger, and they're actually round. They're not like almost, the last ones were like kind of a little bit oval shaped. These are just more of like a round circle shape. And I'm just obsessed with the crystal detail. Again, you'll see that in the clip. I know I have to keep saying that, but I'm obsessed with these, and I actually really like these. I think they look good on me, because sometimes, again, I'm picky with like hoops and I never think they look good on me. But yeah, this looks really, really great. I really, really love them. They're really lightweight again. I can't even really tell. I mean, I can tell they're there, but I can't really feel them. They're not heavy. They're not like weighing down my ears. Like you see some heavy earrings on people that kind of do that. It's not doing that at all, as you guys can see. So I really like this. Even like with like my hair up or something, this would be super pretty. Wow. Am I going to become a hoops girl? I do not know. But yeah, these are really, really nice, you guys. So I think what I'm going to do is give those earrings to my mom. But for example, say I wasn't giving anything in this box away, I probably would return the earrings since I really like these ones. So I would just log into my profile on Talisa, mark the ones I'm keeping and returning, and then just pop this back in the same box with the label, and that's it. And it's simple. So I think that's really cool, you guys. So I definitely wanted to share this jewelry subscription box with you. Every time I get it, I'm blown away at the pieces. But anyways, if you guys want to check out Talisa's jewelry subscription box, I will have a link down below. I would definitely recommend it, especially because we're going into holiday season and it's kind of hard to shop for people. So this would be a really, really nice gift for somebody as well, to kind of personalize something. I mean, there's so many things that you can do, as you saw with the necklace, or even the previous necklaces that I've done. I've done the birthstone and I've done the map jewelry, which I feel like that's like Talisa's like the only one that does that. So anyways, check them out down below. That is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.